Hi! Okay, fall is right around the corner, and so I have my fall hoodies available, and today we're going to work on some fall sweatshirts, some applique. So 2 years ago, I did the viral like mama applique sweatshirt. Today, I'm going to do the glitter HTV vinyl. I know it's nothing new, but the reason why I don't ever mess with the glitter is because most of my orders are business logos. I don't want to get glitter all over everything. Like, I don't want it like in my machines or like residue on my cutting mat. So we'll do a step-by-step applique embroidery tutorial and we'll see where the glitter ends up. Today I'm using this heat transfer vinyl. I just picked it up from Hobby Lobby just to do these projects. And I've got my template printed out, and I'm just going to tape this together because the size is about 12 inches wide, so it printed on 2 pieces. And I'm just going to cut this out as my template because I need this template so that I know how much of the vinyl to cut out. Plus, I like to use it to determine where I place it on my sweatshirt, which also makes hooping it a lot easier. Now we're just going to take off this top layer. I don't see any glitter coming off yet. It's just on the top paper, but so far so good. And now I'm just going to hoop my sweatshirt. I'm using a Gildan sweatshirt. This is the ash color, and I get these from S&S Activewear. And I'm using my hoop station from hoopmaster.com. I'm also using my 8x12 MightyHoop, and this is a bra thread tearaway stabilizer that I got off of Amazon. This is my Floriani Power Mesh Stabilizer that I just lay down, and I'm going to spray it with some spray bond that I get from Amazon as well. And I'm putting everything in place, and we're getting ready to lock it down. I always measure my design 3 inches down from the neckline, and I'm going to tape it so that it doesn't go anywhere. And just like that, I was able to hoop it, and I will meet you at the machine. If you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and keep watching. Thank you. We're using navy blue thread today, and I'm going to make sure that I trace my design because I'm using my magnetic hoop. Now, you can have it do the placement stitch first and then put your glitter down, but since I already have printed my design, I know exactly where it's going to stitch. So I'm just moving straight into placing this glitter down, and please, please don't ever put your fingers in the stitching area. I'm trying this part out a little bit differently. I just want to see if it makes a difference on the results, so I'm going to try to pull this apart before the final satin stitch is done. So right now it just has the 2 tack down stitches on it. I decided to try both ways. I've seen people do where after the stitches, I got 2 stitches of tack down here, and then I've seen people tear it away before the final satin stitch is on. So I did that along here because I'm skeptical of how easy it's going to tear off after the thick satin stitches go on it. But we're going to try. We did halfway around, and then after the satin stitch is stitched on, we'll go ahead and peel the rest away to see what results we come up with. Okay, it looks good. Ooh, I'm excited. So now we're just going to bring it over here and start tearing that away. Okay, so I got my glasses on, got some tweezers in case we need them, some scissors that we might need, but let's see how we're doing. Ooh, yeah, it just comes off so easily. Ooh, that's so satisfying. Oh, I love this. So you don't need to stop and try to tear it away halfway through because it is coming off beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'll show you the details as well when I'm done. I'll give you a real close-up. But this is so awesome how it's coming apart so beautifully. As far as the glitter goes, as I'm doing this, yes, I can see a little bit of glitter, but hopefully I can keep it contained and just get it cleaned up because it is falling off onto this. And then I'll check and go through and see if there's glitter on my machine. But yeah, this is coming out so easily. Oh, I guess we can take it out of the hoop. And I always make sure that I can see this sweatshirt the whole entire time. I will cut it this way because I don't want to accidentally cut the sweatshirt. So when I cut it this way, I can see the sweatshirt at all times. I know exactly where it is and I'm not going to cut a hole into the sweatshirt. Am I speaking from experience? Most definitely. And I just leave a little border around it like that. No one has ever complained saying that the fabric is too itchy or anything like that. I don't put that tender touch in it. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Okay, you guys, this was so much fun. Let me know if you have any questions. I think I'm just gonna wait to peel it off at the very end. No need to take it off the machine and try to clean it up before the final stitch. As far as the glitter goes, let me show you what I found. This might be a problem, but I think as long as I can just clean it out in between, because look, I do see little flakes of glitter in here, but I don't know that it is enough to stay away from it. Well, look, there is glitter residue in the bobbin case. That's just something that I have to think about when I'm doing these glitter shirts, and then when I move on to another project, you know, that's like a men's electrician business, we don't want to get glitter in there either. So I might even just reserve the glitter stuff for a different machine. But honestly, that turned out so good, I can't not do them. Realize that glitter is gonna get places, but it's not even that bad. So I will continue to do these ones and not let the fear of glitter stop me from doing that. That was so much fun though. That was so easy. I'm gonna do another one and it's going to be on this camo. I'm gonna do a navy blue one again. I have a custom order, so I'm going to do another one really quick. And just like that change of plans, I'm using this leopard crew neck because I don't yet have an example of the leopard, of the glitter with the leopard crew neck. So this is so much fun, and it is so much faster than the typical applique because you don't need to spend time cutting it. A lot of you may not know that I have an embroidery list you can sign up for. Just go to shopsimplydelilah.com and you get to this screen right here, the embroidery supply list. Just scroll down and you can put in your email information, and I will email you the entire list of supplies that I use every day. So you can see right here, I'm just going to let the satin go all the way through, and then we're going to pull this off after the whole entire stitch out is complete. This is much better, such a faster way to do it. And it is so satisfying. Look at how easily it comes apart, and look how clean those edges are. Okay, I'm just looking over all the details, and I got my new Coach shirt on too. Isn't that so adorable? Okay, let me show you this one. I think I got it all off. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Let me get it out of here. I gotta address the issue. It does say Lakers. It's not for LA Lakers, you guys. This is a local team, and I did get approval from the coach. Woohoo! So I want to thank you so much for watching, you guys. I think this was a lot of fun. Make sure that you come back next week because I'm going to be doing more like fall stuff. I'm going to be doing like the camo stuff. Probably not applique, I don't know. But make sure that you subscribe so you get the notification bell, and meet me back here next week. I have a whole playlist on machine embroidery, sewing, growing your business. Make sure you check out that as well. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.